Welcome back to the channel once again. I hope everyone is doing well today, and I hope that you are blessed. Today I am going to make some round coasters for a coaster holder that I believe I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I've already mixed up the resin, and I'm using some acrylic silver paint and also some metal silver powder. Half of the coaster is going to be silver, and then the other half is going to be clear with some wedding scatter and some silver foil leaf. Oh, I think that is so pretty. Now I'm just going to pour the silver in just a little bit. And I'm going to pour the clear in. And I am going to let this dry. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest off camera, let them sit up for 3 days, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. I also just sprinkled some silver glitter on top just to give it another unique type of look. Let me go ahead and demold the coaster. Next, I have a silver metallic paint pen, and I'm going to go right around the edges. I'm going to give this like 2 or 3 coats, let it dry, and come back with the reveal in the container. Guys, the coasters that I made are too small for that. I got some that are too big, but I really like this stand. I don't know what I'm going to do just yet. I might have to make my own mold to get the size that I want. But for now, this came with the molds. So I'm just going to use that to make a coaster holder. I've already mixed up some epoxy, and I am going to use some silver metallic powder. I also put a little silver glitter in here. I'm going to pour it into the mold, and then I'm going to let that mold sit for 72 hours. That's a little tip that I've learned because I've been working with epoxy for 3 years now, and I used to demold them as soon as I would fill them and they weren't sticky anymore. But they hadn't set long enough, and I was trying to do 2-tier coffee stand, and that thing gave me the blues. So I realized one day when I was working on something and I left it alone for a couple of days, because I was working on something else that when I demolded, and I didn't have any problems with it after then. So that's what I've been doing as of late. So let's go ahead and get this poured into the mold. That's how that is looking, guys. I'm going to let it sit up for 72 hours. Well, it's been 3 days. Now, the reason why I did this in the silver metallic is because I'm noticing that with some epoxy that I've used over the last couple of years, that items have a yellow effect to them, and I don't like that. I will be setting this coaster holder on a glass table. I got some self-stick bumpers that I will put at the bottom of this. And I only need about 4. Because I don't want to scratch the tables up. Here are the coasters. That's beautiful, guys. My surprise announcement is coming up when I reach 500 subscribers or get very close to that. If you're nosy, please like and share this video. You don't want to miss it. Trust me. You all have a blessed and wonderful day.